This is Colin with Maker Farm. In this video, we're going to do the end stops of the Tevo Tarantula. To start, you're going to need bag A-8, these two acrylic pieces, and then your end stops. Start by peeling off the paper backing off of at least one side of each of the acrylic pieces. Then in bag A8, we're going to have the hardware to mount the end stops to the acrylic pieces and the acrylic pieces to the frame. Go ahead and get just one end stop at this time. Get one acrylic piece. This is going to be for the Y end stop. We are going to install this differently than the manual. This one is going to be installed on the outside instead of what the manual shows, which is on the inside of the acrylic piece. So go ahead and line your end stop as shown in the video. Get two of the small bolts to put through the back of the acrylic piece, and then we're going to use two of the nuts to secure them in place. Now we're going to get two of the M4 bolts and two of the T-nuts to put onto the bolts. Only put the T-nuts on a couple threads of the bolt, as we'll be putting them in the frame and tightening them later. Then go ahead and align the T-nuts and install it into the top part of the Y extrusion there. Then go ahead and tighten them down. Later on we will adjust the position of this end stop so that the nozzle is in the correct location on our bed when the printer is at home. The next end stop is for our Z axis. This is only used if you're not using auto bed leveling sensors, but it is going to be installed on the acrylic piece as shown in the video. Same thing, two of the small bolts will secure it to the acrylic piece with two of the small nuts. Then after that, go ahead and install the last two M4 bolts and T-nuts, and we will install this onto the frame. Align the T-nuts, and then we will install it as shown here in the video. Just like the Y end stop, we will adjust the final position of this Z end stop later on.